15 DIY end table plans. This gorgeous DIY side table would look good no matter what your style is. Unbelievably, you can build it for just $35 in only 4 hours. The free plan includes a tools list, materials list, cut lists, and step-by-step building directions with diagrams and photos. The people in love with mid-century modern style are going to want to build this DIY end table right now. This design features a drawer, open shelving, and those iconic tapered legs. Here's another DIY hack, this time from an end table from Arhaus. If you're looking for a table with shelving, this will be your pick. Besides the tabletop, there are 2 other shelves for storage. Bring the outside in with this free end table plan that shows you how to make a table from a tree stump. All the steps are included so you can get a great look that will last for years. Here's a DIY end table for the farmhouse-style fans out there, especially those that are fans of Ballard design. The top comes off and you can use the fabric lined inside for magazines or toys. It's an easy project that's great for the beginner. Here's a unique end table plan that looks like you spent a lot of money at your modern furniture store. Change the paint colors and you can really create a look you love. This industrial end table plan is a combination of a crate and copper piping. Copper tube straps are used to attach everything and you can use whatever spray paint color you like to finish it. This DIY modern end table was inspired by a much pricier version at Crate & Barrel that will set you back over $300. With this free plan, you can build it yourself for less than $30. It has a great minimalist design and you could either stain or paint it to match your room. Here's a free plan for a rustic end table that's finished to look like a shipping crate. This is a straightforward project that only uses a few sizes of boards. It would be great for those wanting to try their hand at building furniture. This free DIY mid-century end table would be perfect for a bedroom. Although it looks complicated, it's really not. The top is made from a wooden round and a cake pan. Tapered legs finish off the design to make this a unique piece you'll love for years to come. In just a few hours you could have a set of these DIY end tables, including the sanding and staining. The supplies list is short and sweet, and before you know it you'll have an end table that will look great in any room of your home. Inspired by a Jonathan Adler design, these brass nesting tables will add a lot of style to your home. It's a simple project that's more DIY than building. It uses decorative sheet metal and wooden rounds to create the tables. This DIY project uses an existing end table where you use paint sticks to create a herringbone design on the top. The results are jaw-dropping and you don't need any type of saw to make it. It would also make a great converted game table. With just $12 and a trip to Target, you can create this spool-style accent table that makes a great casual end table. Besides building instructions, there are also instructions on how to distress the wooden top. Create a classic hairpin end table with this free plan. The plan also includes a coffee table size and you can use the tutorial to make either one. The tabletop is finished with a whitewash pickling, creating a neutral and sophisticated look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.